So my greatest weakness was art. So I was really good at math and science and writing. So when I went to one of the top art schools in the country, I was surrounded by people who could draw. And I was like, oh no, I could draw a stick figure, literally. So when I was sitting there surrounded by these master artists, I listened a lot and I paid attention because I was forced to. I wrote about what they were doing, and I was able to connect as a former Disney cast member. On my days off, I worked with Disney artists and animators, and we learned a lot about seeing the story in the everyday, and I was able to draw within 20 to 30 seconds. Now I typically work on 6 oil paintings simultaneously.
The man whose name was on the gate that I entered that morning did not presume that I knew who he was. And he wanted to know about me. The most unimportant person on that soundstage. That spoke volumes to me. Dick Ives went out of his way to help me. I tell people today, that had such an impact because Walt Disney made me feel important.